I was getting ready to change Beamer's oil, and I noticed it looked wet under here, and I was hopeful it would just be water from the air conditioner. But unfortunately, that's not water. So it looks like my car has an oil leak. It's not coming from the drain bolt. A lot more right here. So I don't know where it's coming from yet, but we're gonna figure it out. We just took this panel off. Appears to be oil-soaked dead bugs.
The engine's dry as a bone. There's no oil coming off the engine anywhere. So it's something with the cooler up here.
I know it was not like this at the last oil change. It was dry.
Mm-hmm.
It's wet clear back to here.
Mm-hmm. It is dry up in here. Nothing to do with the engine.
So which part are you thinking is leaking right now?
This is greasier. The more I look at it, I'm thinking it might be this.
Today we're going to be replacing the charge air cooler in a 2013 BMW X5 35D. This is the new cooler that we're getting ready to put in. To access the charge air cooler, Dad is removing this shield on the underside of the vehicle. It's held on by quite a few Phillips screws.
Quarter turn screws. I use a Phillips screwdriver. Piece came off right here. You see you got another one right here.
Yes. The piece
With
I
all
thought
the-
was garbage.
All the bugs, yeah. I'll clean up some of your bugs for you.
Thanks.
So I got to pull another one off right here.
Not coming?
Uh-oh. That doesn't sound good, do it?
No, it's rusted through.
Mm-hmm. This is pretty rusty too. But
Yeah.
it came out.
What would be causing the rust on that?
Well, from the antifreeze or road grime or something.
Okay.
progressed, isn't it?
I hope so.
It's coming down anyway.
Okay.
All right, you hold the light. Right over here. Right up there on that screw.
Something about to fall here?
I think so.
Okay.
Looks so. Looks loose, doesn't it?
Should I be standing here?
You'll find out.
Yeah.
This is just a tray.
Okay.
Yeah, definitely coolers. What the problem is.
I'm gonna step back.
You sure did keep a lot of dirt in your car with you. Look at that. Look at that mess. What a mess.
Okay, show me the mess.
All this. How filthy you keep it under here.
Well, how would you recommend that I wash it?
Well, that's up to you to figure out. I'm just supposed to fix it.
Okay.
All right, hold the light for me.
Sure.
Can you get that one? Okay, I think we got it. Okay, I think we got it.
Okay.
So we're done.
Just like that?
Okay.
Here's the old and new coolers. Looks like the old one was leaking from this corner. Somewhere in there.
Look at that. I don't know if I'm doing it good or not. So what do you do when you have a rusted off screw and a piece of plastic?
You take a break and you go get a snack.
Who bought a plastic car to start
I
with?
think you recommended I buy this thing.
I made a big mistake.
You tell me that every time you work on it. I think you're gonna twist the plastic off. Is what's gonna happen.
Is it turning any?
I think you're marring the metal and kind of squishing it around. What's your thought?
Probably. It's really in there, isn't it?
Yes. Do you have a drill bit that would work on it? Oh yes, my lovely car. Go ahead. That clip will probably fall off into the abyss of the engine. Good.
A bug. Sure make them hard, don't they?
You'll get it. That I have confidence in. Can I do this, please?
Yes, I guess you can.
Thank you. Oh, this is clipped on back here.
Okay. So I can disconnect it right here and leave the rest on there.
Would you like me to hold the light? You got it.
One. It's released. Okay, that one's up. Got this down over here. And it's released. Like that. So we'll clear the radiator hose.
You got it.
And it comes out easily. We'll try to do it in the dark.
Where do we put those metal clips that came off? Did we have new ones? Oh, we got new ones.
They have new ones and they're in place ready.
Okay.
They just push on. You leave them like that. Won't fit. Send it back.
I think you're caught on a piece of plastic over here. Right
Which-
there.
Right here?
Yeah. There you go. Is the light where you need it?
Well, I'm making do.
Not really.
It's going up in place, isn't it?
Yep.
All
You
right.
have the cover in place.
Okay. Where it needs to be. Yeah. In we go.
Got it.
Over here.
Coming.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Right on the bolt. You're not even close.
I know. I was trying to get my hair out of the tire.
Okay. All right, I'll do the rest by hand.
Okay.
All right. Some housekeeping to do here now.
Yep.
So that lays up there like that, and it goes right there. Maybe shine it where I can't see.
Okay.
Shine it right there. Okay. Now get it lined up. There's a bulb sealant that goes against this to seal it.
Okay.
It's only one way it goes on. Okay. You see right here, the bulb seal. That's what seals it. And your metal goes in here. That's what it slips on and holds
Okay.
it, and then that presses
Yes.
against it. You see. Okay. There we go.
Okay. Rubber hammer.
Yeah.
In this case, you just used your hand.
Yeah, that's what that was. So we're ready for the belly pan. Shine right in here, right in here. Okay, all done.
You want me to do some, Dad?
Just turn them where you feel them kind of set in there. That one wasn't quite in. Oh, that's good. They'll kind of go over. They'll do a quarter or half turn. You'll feel them kind of catch and go over center, and you'll know they're in. You don't have to force them though.
Okay. That one's not lined up. Let me get some of these others.
Okay.
In.
Push up. Okay. You have to push up to get it to go in. There you go. You can feel that, can't you?
Yes, I can. That one's not in. I'm going to have you do that
Okay.
one. I'm not sure on that one either.
Okay.
Here was one that I couldn't get in.
Okay, that's it. And this one. Then before I put this on, I may need that at some point in the future. That's the noise I wanted to hear.
Good.
Okay, then we can put this screw in. Okay. Here we go.
Good.
Okay. Then this clips on. Right there.
I think you got it.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay.
Tell you how to do it.
Okay.
Pull it out of this end, put it in underneath that, and raise it up and slide it back enough you can get this end in.
Oh, yes.
Like that.
Okay.
And then come back, and it's got to go on underneath this.
Okay. Now you tell me.
Raise it up and slide it back.
Okay.
Okay. And then put all 4 bolts in. Just putting in 2 is not really sufficient.
Okay.
Small joke there.
I thought you were going to tell me to just put them in loosely at first.
You can
and
do
then
that
come
too.
back and snug them up.
You can do that too. Okay. That looked like fun.
I'm fine. Didn't hurt anything.
All right.
And we're
Number 10. It's laying over there. That's probably good.
okay. So don't go real tight on this
No,
one.
you don't want to twist it off.
All right.
Believe it or not. Nope, line it up.
What did I do?
You just didn't have it sliding in there. There you go. Lift up on the front gently and make sure it's holding.